The push to strengthen groundwater protection comes after a number of environmental incidents in China. In April 2014, in northwest China's Lanzhou city, benzene leaked from a pipeline of a petrochemical company. The accident caused benzene levels in the city's tap water to reach 10 times higher than national standards. The draft amendment submitted for its first reading to the lawmakers strengthens monitoring and government responsibility, saying that the local government should set the timetable and be authorized to issue tougher pollutant control requirements for water quality. The draft strengthens protection measures, stating that emergency response measures and backup water sources should be set up in cities with single water sources. It also would ensure that the quality of drinking water is closely monitored, with the relevant information made public.
The current water pollution prevention law, which was enacted more than 30 years ago, lacks terms that protect the ecosystem and public health. I think it's urgent to revise the law.
According to the draft, chemical producers, industrial and mining zones, tailing ponds, dangerous chemical disposal sites, and landfills shall take efforts to prevent leakage and dig wells to monitor groundwater quality. The draft imposes tougher punishments and doubles fines for the offenses. But lawmakers say that's not enough.
I think the fines for violators is too low. I suggest we increase the levels of punishment.
I suggest the water pollution prevention law should be made coherent with the new environment protection tax law.
Lawmakers also reviewed a draft environment protection tax law to upgrade the current pollutant discharge fee system into a law that would tax air and water pollutants, solid waste, and industrial noise at different rates. China established its pollutant discharge fee system in 1979. In 2015, it collected 17.3 billion yuan, or about $2.5 billion US, from some 280,000 businesses. However, some local governments exploit the system's loopholes and secretly exempt fees for enterprises that are big contributors to fiscal revenues. The new draft law is targeted at better equipping the country to fight pollution in the coming years. CCTV, Beijing.